Thank you for choosing the 1stPayPOS point-of-sale solution. This video is to guide you through the easy steps of processing a sale transaction for a retail store. Please note, this video includes certain features such as discounts, tax, tip, and other payment types that must be set up in the portal in advance. If you want to process gift cards, that will only work after adding that service to your account. Let's get started. In order to process a sale, start on the main screen of the app. Add items by first selecting a category, then an item. In this example, we will use the shirts category. Select graphic t-shirt. Then tap the category of the next item the customer wants to order. In this case, the customer wants to add a belt, so we'll select belts. On the belt screen, select the belt the customer wants. In this case, we will select brown leather. If the customer is ready to pay, tap the green Payment button. Before finalizing a sale, you can make adjustments at the item level for a specific item or at the order level for the entire sale. Item level adjustments include editing quantity and price, adding a discount, editing the tax rate, and turning tax off for a specific item. Order level adjustments include adding a discount and turning tax off for the entire sale. To make item level changes, tap the item you would like to edit. This opens the Edit Item screen. To adjust quantity, use the plus and minus buttons to increase or decrease the quantity, or tap in the quantity field, tap the small x, then enter the new quantity. To edit the price of an item, tap in the price text box. On the number keypad, tap Clear, then enter the new price. To add a discount to an item, tap the discount area, select a discount, then tap Done on the Discounts pop-up. To edit tax for a specific item, tap the tax area, select a different tax rate, or tap the green toggle switch to turn tax off, then tap Done on the tax pop-up. It's important to point out that at the item level, the tax rate can be edited and tax can be turned on and off per item. Alternate tax rates must be set up in the portal prior to editing the tax rate. To add a note to a specific item, tap the Add Note area. Type your note, then tap Done on the Edit Item screen. These item notes appear on the back office printer slips and do not appear on receipts. Tap Done on the Edit Item screen when finished making adjustments. This brings you back to the main screen. Order level changes can be entered as follows. To add a discount to the entire sale, tap the Discount area on the main screen, select a discount, then tap Done on the Discounts pop-up. To turn tax off for the entire sale, tap the Tax area on the main screen, tap the green toggle switch to turn tax off, then tap Done on the tax pop-up. Please note that at the order level, tax can be turned on and off for the entire order. The tax rate cannot be edited for the entire order. It must be edited per item. It's also important to know that editing price, tax, and applying discounts require permissions which are set up in the employee portal. Without the permission, a manager override PIN must be entered to make the change. To process a transaction, tap the green Payment button. You will be brought to the payment screen. At the top of the payment screen is an optional memo field. This order level memo will print on receipts and is recorded in a few of the portal reports. Select the appropriate payment method or combination of payment methods for your customer. For cash, select the cash amount or tap on Other Amount. Enter the amount of cash for the payment and tap Tender. If successfully submitted, you will see the receipt screen that confirms the amount paid and shows the Change Due in large green letters. You can then print the receipt, send the receipt via text message, or email the receipt to your customer. Tap Done when finished. This brings you back to the main screen and you're ready to start your next transaction. For credit card, swipe the card or tap Card Number and enter the card number, the expiration date, and the security code and press Charge. When the transaction is approved, you will see the receipt screen that confirms the amount paid and shows Approved in large green letters. If you are running a credit card and need to enable a tip, Swipe the card or tap Card Number and enter the card number, the expiration date, and the security code, and press Charge. This brings you to the tip screen where the customer can select a tip from the options shown. Tap Submit to submit the transaction for approval. The approval amount includes any tip amount entered during the transaction. When the transaction is approved, you will see the receipt screen that confirms the amount paid and shows Approved in large green letters. For gift card, tap on Gift Card. Swipe the gift card or enter the gift card number. If successfully submitted, you will see the receipt screen that confirms the amount paid and shows Change Due $0 in large green letters. For other payment type, such as personal check, tap on the Other Payment Type, then select the payment type from the drop-down list. In this case, we will select Check. The amount of the transaction will be displayed. Enter Optional Payment Memo. Tap OK. If successfully submitted, you will see the receipt screen that confirms the amount paid and shows Change Due $0 in large green letters. You have the ability to split the payment among multiple types of payments. If the customer has a sales ticket for $55 and would like to put $25 on a credit card and $30 in cash, enter $30 in the cash field, tap Tender, and then the remaining balance, $25, will appear next to Card. Then swipe the credit card or tap Card Number and enter the card number, the expiration date, and the security code and press Charge. When the transaction is approved, you will see the receipt screen that confirms the amount paid and shows Approved in large green letters. There may be some cases where you might have a printer in the back office connected to your 1stPayPOS system. A back office printer can be set up to print all items or specific items to the back office for preparation. Items will print on the back office printer after payment has been successfully submitted for the sale. And that's how you process a sale transaction in 1stPayPOS.